Hello, welcome back. We're starting a little bit earlier today. Want to see if we can get some of that volatility so we can hit our target the last 2 days. It's been kind of slow moving, so I want to see if we trade a little bit earlier, if we have an opportunity to get that volatility. Right now, I'm looking at an OTE setup based on this London range, right? So what I want to see is price come to the OTE level within that fair value gap, and then I'll take a sell, right? Hopefully, it just shoots up a little bit more so I can have the stop a bit higher. Um, or I guess relative to the equal high here, I would love the stop to be closer to here. But let's see if we can get in within this range. There's a fair value gap. There's a breaker here, so there's multiple reasons to potentially get in. And then we would be targeting these equal lows down here. Now, as far as levels, we've got different levels, but let me move them around real quick. Got London high up here. Got London high right here. London low down here. Move this. London lows right here. Lock these in place. All right, we got midnight open is that other yellow line right here. That's midnight open right here. And then Asian high low. Got Asian high right about here. Cause that's, yeah, right around there. Let's just say that's Asian high. Then Asian low, we'll put that closer to here. Yep. Asian low is right around here. All right, and we'll lock these in place. Lock. And I open, lock, Asian high, lock. Okay, so we'll zoom in. We can delete this. So yesterday, this. Okay, so we have Asian high, London high, London low. Right now we're looking to sell it in the OTE range. Let's go to the 1 minute. So let's see if we can get back into that range. Preferably, I would want to sell it above the point 0.6. If I can get the point 0.7, that would be ideal. So we're at the point 0.6 right now. The reason I'd want to go more up, if I look at the other assets, DXY looks like it's going down. MNQ is going up still. So MNQ's range, we haven't hit the point 0.6 of MNQ's range yet. So maybe hit the point 0.6, point 0.7 of MNQ and ES at the same time. Maybe not, but that's what I'm gonna wait for that to see if we can hit a deeper OTE level before I sell it. Now if we steamroll through all the levels, I won't be taking the trade in a sense because it's not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in a nice level of retracement that we can get. So in this scenario, we're above yesterday's 830 on MYM. We go back to and everything else. MNQ, we're still above the point 0.5. Looks like we might be finding support on the point 0.5. Okay, MES, it looks like we might be finding support on the point 0.6. Just gotta be patient and wait. See if we get a higher entry or if it just melts from here. If it melts from here, we should have entered at point 0.6, but just based on how the stop loss looks, I would like a higher entry potentially. point 0.6 entry looks like it would have started to give some points. See if we can get the higher entry or not. See if we find support on Asian high to run back up. It may melt off. If it does, I'll just accept it. I wish I took it at the point 0.6 a little bit, but it's okay. I think he rejected the point 0.5. Let's see if we'll get higher. What sucks about this is that should have took the trade at the point 0.6. At least I could have been break even already and seeing if it'll work. But a little bit too hesitant. Just based on how big the range was, I was hoping that we get to another spot where I'd be able to have a better stop loss in general, just overall tighter stop. But it looks like this is gonna melt down and may be incorrect. Let's see. It looks like that point 0.6 entry would have been really good. We're under midnight open. It's unfortunate. I mean, it's fortunate that that trade would have worked, but um, it's unfortunate because we could have took the trade, but we didn't take the trade. Um, let's see if now we rebound back from midnight open. Sixth level really did do well. I think we want to buy this potentially under midnight open within this OTE level and see if we can ride it to the higher OTE. I don't want to try it, but yeah, let's try it.
Submit order filled.
Let's see if we can get the TP of the equal highs, and we can close prematurely here potentially. But we're off midnight open. It hit an OTE level that was buying up. Let's see. So we can get back to Asian high at least. Let's see if we can get to $50. I'll go break even on it. Probably gonna lower the risk off the rip because I don't want to see it do too much. Let's go to 693525 is the new stop. 65 693525 6935. Okay, it looks like we're kind of safe right now. Okay, once we get to $50, I'm gonna go break even. Kind of struggling here. I don't like that. I don't want it to retest the entry. I'm gonna go break even now. I know it's kind of early, but I'm not really interested in okay, so we moved up the stops. We moved up see if we hit the target. Let's move up the stop a bit more now. Lock in $25. I'm looking to clear the highs without doing too much retracement at this point. But if it does retrace, I would like to not lose anything. Oh no, we don't need a buy limit there. Let's see if it runs. What we'll do is we'll drag the TP up to the highest level and then we'll just trail it better. So now we've locked in 40 there. See here, let's drag the TP up. Let's drag the stop up. Let's drag the TP up. Drag the stop up. It looks good. If this works, it's a sign I really should just be trading earlier. So I might have to start getting up at 5:30 and trading earlier. We'll see. But we've secured 40 bucks so far with the stop. So then see if we take the equal highs. I think we should to hit point 0.7. Let's see if it goes up. I might flatten it here if it keeps struggling. I want to see it go up without reversing too much. It's already used the point 0.6 once. I don't want to see it reverse off it again. I want to see us get to like the point 0.7 or point 0.8. It shouldn't be that far-fetched for us to do that because we're now balancing in that volume imbalance right here and find support in there. So we'll just accept that we're probably going to win this trade. But that volume imbalance right there is support. Hopefully it just stays open like that. VI volume imbalance. Can't really see it like that, but volume imbalance there. We move the TP up to the point 0.8 now. Right? Let's see if we can get to the point 0.8 maybe. But if not, we might probably partial out or close out most position. Let's see if we'll get above the equal highs. I think we will. So at least the point 0.7. So technically we're at target. I want to see us expand past these equal highs. If we struggle a bit more, I'll just close it all out. I might do is just partial it. Yeah, I'm gonna partial this, and we've got one position left on there. So what we'll do is we'll just go break even on that. Oh shoot, accidentally closed it. All right, we'll close everything.
Order filled.
All right, we got a profitable trade. That was good for the psyche. We may be done for the day. I'm grateful to have that opportunity to take that trade. There was a trading error though, as far as one of my accounts not trading it, but everything else seems to be going fine. So we'll accept that winner. We're grateful to be a winner today, and yeah, you guys saw it. Took a trade, 96 realized, so got a little 1% gain on the account. Um, I just didn't like how we were kind of struggling a little bit, but and then I just wanted to trail it, but I made a mistake and not I didn't trail it properly. I should have pulled the stop down, but I didn't, so it got closed out. But it's okay. We caught a trade off of midnight open, off of an OTE level, so we used an A trade, right? And if it's pre-trading pre-market, identify probable London and pre-market OTE levels. So we did that for the day. So what we'll do is we'll come back another time, another day, and we'll keep chipping away at it. Keep chipping away. That's it. You just keep chipping away, doing consistent trading methods, and just slowly building back up. And Reason for the trade, originally I wanted that point 0.6 sell, didn't take it. Came down to this point 0.6 of this bullish, came down, originally I wanted this point 0.6 sell here, didn't take it. Came down to midnight open, which also hit point 0.6, thought that would be a good buy. Worked very well. Closed at these equal highs here for the target. I wanted to hold, but I made a little error in how I was closing, so then it ended up closing it. But for now, I think I'll just end the stream there. But yeah, that was the volatility we were looking for. I guess the other days the volatility has just it's not there as much, so we just need to make sure we're trading between right at 6:45 we're up, so that at 7 we can be taking trades if we see anything clean. Um, but yeah, that was the trade. Think I will just hop off of this for now, but we'll be back. We will be back.